Hello everyone, you're watching Daily Court Updates with Bar and Bench, where I, Soumya, will be presenting daily updates from courts around the country. Starting with Supreme Court of India, the Supreme Court today slammed the central government for not paying an amount ordered to be paid by an arbitral tribunal and said that the efforts to make India an international arbitration hub must be led by government itself. The court questioned the central government of India that on one hand there are public speeches on making Indian an international arbitration hub, then why there is no enforcement of the award. Our next update is on Lakhimpur Kheri violence. The Supreme Court today asked its registrar to ascertain from the additional sessions judge at Lakhimpur Kheri as to how much time the trial in the case of Lakhimpur Kheri violence is likely to take for conclusion. During the hearing today, the bench asked how long the accused can be kept in jail. Moving further towards our next update, Samajwadi Party leader Anurag Bhadodia today moved to the Supreme Court seeking protection in a case filed against him for allegedly insulting and making objectionable remarks against Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The Allahabad High Court last month refused to grant any relief to Bhadodia. Our next update is from Delhi riots conspiracy case. The Delhi High Court today reserved orders on the bail plea of United Against Hate founder Abdul Khalid Saifi, who is an accused of Delhi riots conspiracy case. Khalid Saifi was arrested by Delhi police in February 2020 and has remained in jail since then. A special court had denied him bail on April 8, 2022. Our last update is also coming from Delhi, where the Delhi High Court today directed the central and NCR government as well as Delhi police to ensure that online sale of e-cigarettes does not take place. The PIL was filed by two lawyers saying that the local pan shop was selling e-cigarettes openly despite the Prohibition of Electronic Cigarettes Act being enforced. Thank you for watching this video. To read in detail about these updates, do visit our website. Link is in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.